Hey babies, it's joynavon and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm back with another protective style video, and this time we are doing Marley Twists. So as you can see, I'm starting off on old hair. I did not freshly wash my hair for this. I washed my hair about like a week before doing this, and then my hair was just in some like jumbo twists being stretched, so that's how I got my hair to this point. But you can freshly wash your hair and then blow it out, or however you choose. So now I'm just getting my sections together. I'm using Blue Magic and Mael's leave-in conditioner, and I'm just using them to moisturize and soften my hair. So now I'm getting my boxes together, and this is like the ideal size that I want for my boxes. I want them to be kind of like medium to big. I didn't want like super small Marley Twists, but I also didn't have enough hair to make them humongous. So this is just the size that I opted for. So we are also using the rubber band method. So I'm taking my black small rubber bands to secure my parts, my sections, and I don't have any issues with this. I personally avoid having rubber bands snag at my hair by just not making the rubber bands super tight on my hair. I make sure to kind of make sure that there's like a little bit of wiggle room. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like that, like if you want it to just look super snatched and clean, then I would suggest using like an edge control or a gel to slick your box down and then add the rubber band. That's how you're going to get like the sleekest look. But for me personally, when it comes to this style, especially Marley Twists, I used to do Marley Twists all the time, like some years ago back in college. So I already know how this goes, and this hair in itself is very like natural looking, meaning that it's not shiny. Like it looks like you've had them for a while. Like it looks very natural. So I wanted my parts to look kind of like I've had my hair done for a while. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. This is the Equal Jamaican twist braid, and I am using the color 350. I got this hair from SAMSBEAUTY, and I will link everything down below into the description box as always. So the hair comes in different sections, and this is the extra long. So this hair is very long. It comes in different sections. I'm not sure as to how many comes into a pack. I didn't count it, but I'm just taking 2 sections of hair out of each pack. Just two. Okay, I had to make this stretch. So that's what I did here. And then I'm just going to start twisting. Now, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. This process was extremely frustrating for me because at first, like how I'm doing right here, my hair just for whatever reason was not cooperating with me. It was not, I just couldn't get my hair to stay in the twist, and it was just really frustrating. So I'm going to show you guys what I did later on. But yeah, so scratch everything that I'm doing here. I'm just taking these twists out, and we're just gonna come back another day to finish my hair. All right, you guys, so this is about 2 days later, and as you can see, I'm back and the majority of my hair is done. Off camera, I just wanted to take my time and really just do this because it is a lot. This hair is very long, and yeah. So now I'm using the Mael Twisting Souffle, and this is the product that I decided to add to my hair to just further soften my hair for this process. So being that I have 4C hair, it's really easy for my ends to like kink up and curl up and get like puffy. So that's not cute. You don't want that like sticking out of your twist, especially since my hair is darker than this super bright magenta braiding hair. Now, if you're just using braiding hair that is just like your natural hair color, then you probably won't have to worry about this as much. But I wanted to make sure that I got this to look as like decent and as seamless as I possibly could. So as you can see, I'm just going back into sectioning off my hair in the front, making sure that I have my middle part that I want, because I love middle parts for whenever I have protective styles. It's just super easy for me. And I'm just going to, secure it with the rubber band, and then we can move on from there. So now that the hair is secured, like I said, I'm going to take 2 sections of this hair, still using 2, and I'm just going to put the crochet needle in, pull the hair through, and then pull one side of the hair all the way through. And then once I have the sides even, I'm going to further tighten my section and then just start twisting. Now this is basically the same thing that I was doing the first day that I tried doing this, but I'm going back and forth with the twisting souffle, and I'm moisturizing my hair as I'm twisting it. And I found that this really helped me so much with getting my hair to just like lay in the twist. Now personally, I didn't want to use gel, but that's also something that you can use. I don't have any particular reason why I didn't want to use gel. I just didn't want to use it. So the twisting souffle was better for me, but you can definitely use a gel of your choice. So now I'm just doing the same thing. I pulled the hair through, and now I'm going to, tighten my section and then start twisting and adding the twisting souffle. And that's why you keep seeing me stop for a second, because I'm dipping my fingers into the twisting souffle as I'm twisting my hair. Now, this might not seem like a huge deal, like just by me saying that, but it definitely helped so much. So one more time, as you can see, 2 sections of the Marley hair, of the twist braid hair, and I'm putting it on the crochet needle, pulling it halfway through, then taking one side, pulling it all the way through, making sure both ends are even, tightening the section, and then I'm just going to start twisting. Now this can be so quick of a process for multiple reasons. If you do the rubber band method and then you section off your boxes first, that's something that I did off camera as well. That's a tip, a pro tip. And then 2, if you lay all your sections out 2 by 2, like on a table, on the floor next to you, like that's a pro tip too. Easy for you to grab, so you don't have to keep stopping. And also, this hair is really long, so it took me hours upon hours as it is, because the hair is so long. But if you just get like the average length hair, and if you make your parts just as big as this, you should be done in just a few hours in one day. So this is how the hair turned out. I will be definitely rocking this in the house. As you can see, this is the back. It's not perfect. I ran out of hair, so you even see like some different colors in there because I had to grab some hair out of my closet. But we're all on lockdown in the house anyway, and I just kind of wanted to put my hair away so that I don't have to be bothering it and doing anything crazy to it. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Please stay safe. Also check the description box down below for the links to the hair, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at joynavon, and until then, I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye.